Hello inspectors, this is Vito and this is a brief tutorial on using the duplicate feature in HomeGauge. I'm going to quickly show you the desktop and then we'll look at the companion app. This is going to be tested on the HQS form because that's where we really need it right now. But everything here is also, it's good across the templates. You can use it wherever you want, although I haven't finished building out the other stuff yet. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the desktop, open it up, and we're going to select the HQS form, hit open template. Now you'll see everything is set for just one, but we want more. So what happens if I need more than one bathroom? Let's select bathroom. Go over here to duplicate sections, right here, hit the plus sign, and now we have choices. The one on the left is for what you want your first room to see. Once I select this, bathroom over here goes away. So let's just say master bathroom, second bathroom. Okay, there we go. And if you look, bathroom is not highlightable. Master bathroom, second bathroom, and they're both listed as 3, so the form won't get confused. Excuse me. Let's go back to components. Now let's say I want to add another bathroom. Go to second bathroom, hit duplicates, and now it's just one choice, so we can pick third bathroom. And there you go. Bedrooms are going to work the same way. Master bedroom, second bedroom, or I can even go first bedroom, second bedroom, etc. I want to do second, hit duplicate, third bedroom, etc. There you go. Now, other rooms used for living in halls, we want to separate these into which rooms we're doing. So again, dining room, family room. Maybe I have a den, office, library, and the hallways. So there you go. Now all of that's done, and if you look, there it is. And real quick, the overviews tell you how to define what's a fail, what's a pass, what is a pass with notes, what's inconclusive, etc. Let's go back to components. Deleting, real easy. Highlight what you want to get rid of, hit the red X, done. Highlight what you want to get rid of, hit the red X, done. Highlight, done. Now, when you have one and it gets rid of them all, and you're back to just the component itself. All right, that's all I got for this one. Let's transition over and see how it looks on the companion app. Okay, now that we are on the companion app, let's open it up. Go to HD Companion. Let's say select report template. There it is. Select. And here we go. I'm going to go to components. I'm going to hard press bathroom, and there's the window. Let's hit duplicate, and then we can hit the drop down, master bathroom, second bathroom, okay, and you'll see it's working as intended. Real quick, same for bedroom, duplicate, just say first bedroom, and swipe, second bedroom, okay, done. Other rooms used for living in halls, duplicate. Let's go with a family room and a bonus room, done. And there you go. It's real easy. I'm sure you'll get it. Feel free to call me if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.